very good weather resistance.
Oh.
Absorption, everything is wonderful.
So,
If you want, I can show some results also.
yeah, okay.
And even now we are planning two of my shirts are in bamboo methods. We are trying to make nano for bamboo. So already we
So according to you, the weather resistance is one very good quality of bamboo.
other compared to other natural fibers.
Compared to other natural fibers.
Density and addition between cement and all these things.
And you think it could be a good substitute for asbestos?
Yeah.
So you have a textile application.
Yeah, lot of things.
But construction is a major thing. So your thermal conductivity, strength, and weight.
Weight ratio.
And what else is it?
In my opinion, bamboo is a wonderful material compared to any other fiber, any other natural fiber.
So actually, if you look at bamboo, there are only plus points. It's 2 times stronger than steel when it comes to ratio, weight, and strength and all those things. But
It will generate lot of rural opportunities for the job opportunities. You know, if you are in Angamali or that area, how many people are living with bamboo? They are
Cultivation,
cultivation and cutting this bamboo and making some fancy articles or something like that. So actually, it's not. This material is underutilized.
And which are the main locations of Assam is a major area?
Yeah. Assam in Kerala, we have lots.
Kerala you have plenty.
even Karnataka.
Karnataka also.
I told you many times there's a very simple rule, not only for Indians, but in general. Seeing is believing.
Yes. That's what
I can tell.
I can add one more thing. In Europe, I have some collaboration with the European University. So they are more interested in natural fiber-based biocomposites, just to substitute wood and all this. Lot of us are going. I think in Japan, some 7 industries are there based on natural fiber.
Whereas in India we are still not.
Even though we have huge.
I think now that we know each other, I think we can. Yeah, but I'm basically a person interested in the environment, propagating the technical education,
And
my passion.
And selling foundation.
Yes, let's go to the foundation.
Very simple because it's a very light structure.
Yes.
Yes, this we erected. I will give you the photos later. This we erected. We put this together on the floor. Lay it down. So you put the whole thing together. This whole structure. We put it up and we pull it just up.
First you build the foundation.
With this we bound a ring of these blocks. About this deep.
No, what is the depth of foundation?
Only one block, only 1 feet.
1 feet you dug the structure first.
On the floor.
On the floor.
Lying down.
Lying down.
Yes?
Yes.
Then we pulled it up.
Yes.
We concreted it, finished.
So it's just concreting the whole thing in a prefabricated form.
Actually in a prefabricated
Then you drill the hole, then come to the story. How did you get this frame done this way?
And everything has been drilled by power tools, has been cut by power tools. You drill a hole, you order threaded rods.
And what is the size of the hole?
It depends on your, this is 12 mm. Depends
12
on,
mm. You made a 12 mm hole on this. And what is the total load this structure can take?
which is around 3 tons.
So here basically building a house, putting the bolt and then putting it together.
It's an industrial way. You do the same thing in steel construction. You put something together on the ground.
Okay.
In steel it's very heavy, so you need a crane to lift it. But this is so light, you can lift it like that. And everything has been drilled by power tools, has been cut by power tools.
The hollow bamboo.
Yeah.
So the weight is taken by the outer shell pipe.
And this.
It's a tubular structure, in other words.
It is in fact a round honeycomb structure. That's why it's so strong.
It is a round honeycomb structure.
In fact it is. It has the same properties as a honeycomb structure. It disperses all its strength through the whole thing.
This structure ready to take a
Yeah.
flat roof?
Yeah, or a tile roof, or a concrete roof.
Can you take a concrete roof?
Yeah, but then you have to make these purlins, you have to make them heavier, and you have to put some addition in structure.
Oh.
But
Uh-huh.
these basic structures,
Yes.
they can easily take. Absolutely no problem.
So the whole idea is these tools, these structures can be lifted and located vertically. You can erect them fast. That's one. It has got a structural strength, number two. It is very easy to assemble.
You must imagine that this structure, including foundation, everything, and the mistakes I made, because I mean. This
Okay,
is
practically on the ground.
But this whole structure has gone up in 3 weeks.
Yeah, I was with you 3 weeks ago.
With 12 people who are totally unexperienced.
Oh, that's the point. Absolutely catching it up. So it's quite simple to.
You see?
So I think we should go to them and see what they're doing. Okay. And then you cut it.
Then you take the Bosch grinder.
Yeah. Make the point. And what is this here, Mr. Come here. Now the jigsaw, what were they doing? With respect to bamboo.
They cut all the special angles, you know. You can take the jigsaw.
Cut which angle?
These round angles. Yes, if you have to make a special angle like in here, you take the jigsaw.
So how do you think the slums of Bombay can be helped with this? What is the advantage you get than the present method?
Good living conditions, better hygiene, people are more satisfied, less diseases, everything. If somebody has a good house,
Yeah.
good roof, and it's nice, and it's good quality, his life conditions improve.
So this would be an ideal way, ideal technology for the slum dwellers.
For instance,
And for example,
Yes, for instance.
and because you get a quality construction
Yes.
at the same time at the low cost,
Yes.
right? And more importantly, you get the confidence of the people
Yes.
that they are living in a good house.
We had already some requests from resorts.
Oh, resorts.
Yes.
This is another major area.
Yeah, well, there are many resorts here. Yes, they all have beautiful gardens. They want to have shade for their clients. Drink beer, coffee, have a nice pavilion. They like it very much. The tourists like it very much.
Okay.
The resorts like it very much because it's very cost effective and it's very attractive. So you combine two things: cost effectiveness and attraction.
And is it suggested to color the bamboo, or it is not recommended or not required?
You scrape it and you lacquer it, and it will look beautiful.
How do you scrape it manually?
Yeah, you man.
Is there any?
But you can use one of your Bosch hand grinders.
Yeah,
Of course.
hand grinders for sanding purposes, so that. But it's good to keep the knots always, so that the bamboo root is there. And if you smoothen it, you can color it. Maybe you can have different colors. That will add to the taste. Huh? So primarily, when you talk of the power tools which you are using now, what do you think is the power tools role in bamboo? What's the main things you can do with power tools?
Well, you see for yourself.
Yeah, I've seen it.
The power tools.
My friend
make
Edwin.
Power tools make their work.
Easier. Which are the mostly tightening.
In this building there are 250 holes for 250 holes.
250 holes.
250 holes.
Okay.
So imagine doing it by hand. The people did this in unskilled people in 2 weeks.
So unskilled people have done 250 holes
Yeah, and putting the whole thing together.
and putting together
Yes.
in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks.
So you have the speed out of the power train, the productivity.
So imagine if they had to do it by hand,
Yes.
drilling all the holes by hand. Then next year,
What kind of drill bit did you use? Did you use the auger bit or what kind of is it? What kind of bits?
Are for sale. This we brought from Holland. We brought it from the bay. Yes, and then it's fixed.
So
Then you can go all. This is available. This is not available anymore. So we brought it. You put any size in, and it's fixed.
the actual drilling material is not much.
No, but the bamboo can be very sturdy. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
It's very dense.
Very dense. Okay, but is it as dense as steel? Quite easy.
As dense as wood.
It's made in how do they do it? Ah, yeah. How this is screwed onto this machine? Same screws. Like but they are very small. Same process. And that's how the plywood is tied. And on the top of it, plywood you keep a mesh
yes,
and then concrete. So the advantage you're getting is to that extent of thickness of this, you will gain the concrete material. Is that right?
Over it.
Put it over that.
Over that.
Yes.
Then your first stage is to cement it like this,
Yes.
and then it will be plastered on both sides. This wall can take an impact of 500 kilos.
Oh, 500 kgs. In fact, you can take. So all that is you make this. What do you call this?
Split it back.
And how do you do that?
There is no tool for it. Yeah, there is a special tool for it, but that's coming from Taiwan.
So you split the bamboo.
They do it by hand, by X.
So you make this with a binding wire. Then you put the jolly on it.
This, the chicken mesh, you see?
And then how do you fasten the chicken mesh onto the
Just
bamboo?
with wire again.
Twist it again. And then later on you apply the cement on either side. And how do you say it can take 500 kg? What is it special? After all, it is only a bamboo.
Because
I just want to provoke you that.
Bamboo is 2 times stronger than steel.
Bamboo is 2 times
Yes,
stronger
and
than
then
steel.
and then it's stabilized within the cement. It's extremely strong.
And this bamboo, should it be treated?
No.
And it is embedded in concrete for how many years?
Over 20, 30 years
20-30 years.
easily.
So you are saving space.
And lots of money.
You saving space, and you get more working space inside the room. Primarily the nut bolts that join, number one.
Yeah.
And then so they're drilling the holes and tightening with the cordless screwdrivers.
See, all is done with the cordless screwdriver. All these bamboo ply has been fastened to these supports.
and very easily to handle with our machinery,
Power tools.
Yes, yes.
That makes it
Very, yes, yes. And some speed forward.
good over.
Yes, yes, speed forward. Okay. It's a very good for furniture making and
Furniture?
yes, yes, furniture for toys making.
Toys making.
In the every part is useful.
Every part of
no,
them.
no waste.
Okay.